This is Buzzard's Roost. I have no idea how it got that name. It's basically a variation of an ocean waves block is what I have seen over the years, and that really was the inspiration for the block. This comes from flying geese. You're going to make 4 sets of 4 matching flying geese. You could make them different, but it's really nice and it's pretty to make them that you get a little pattern and some color going around. And if you do notice, sometimes there is a little bit of a pattern to this. Your geese are made using connected corners or folded corner method, where you're going to take your rectangle, you're going to put a square on the one corner, diagonal line, you can trim it, you can use a seam guide, but you're going to stitch right diagonally across the line, and you're going to go ahead and then trim the smaller corner off. You can use scissors, you can use your rotary cutter. I usually just use scissors because they're small pieces. Even on the larger block, it's a 1 3/4 inch square, so it's just easier and faster for me to take a pair of shears and one cut and it's done. And it doesn't have to be perfectly exactly a 1/4 inch because you've already stitched the seam. When you're pressing your corners, be careful not to distort, because that's where you're going to get your most variation of sizes, is usually in your pressing. It's more likely to happen there than in your stitching. All right, I'm going to show you how to build this block. This is the block when it's finished. You're going to start with your unit that's got your square and your 2 flying geese. Then you're going to add these 2 side pieces. You'll add on the top and bottom. And then finally, you're going to add these on the sides. And you're going to pretend that these are all, now that you've got your seams, these all line up perfectly. Your seams between geese are going to be pressed open. It's just going to lay a little better if you do that. And most of these seams are also going to be pressed open. You've just got a lot of points going in a lot of different directions. The easy part for matching on this is the seams will match up to the tip of your flying geese. At least over here they will. And here. This is Buzzard's Roost.